All right, so today we are doing a maintenance wash on this srt8. Couple of things of note: this hasn't been washed since Albany got that ash and smoke overcast from the fires that are happening down south. So we're gonna be very delicate with this. The reason why we're doing a maintenance wash on this is it's actually one of the vehicles that we've installed the ceramic coating on, so we want to make sure that it's doing okay, especially after the ash. So we're just gonna go through the wash process, and anything that I notice, I'm gonna bring up to you guys and stop the time lapse and basically just break down anything that I notice, basically. Okay, so first things first, ceramic coating is still holding up really well. The reason I can already tell that is the foam from the foam cannon really just does not want to stick to the car. That being said, we're gonna jump straight into washing it and see how it goes. Just wanted to go over my wheel cleaning process. So what I do after I wash the vehicle, I will spray down the wheels and tires with brake buster, let that dwell for about a minute, then I'll go in with a tire brush on the tire, then I will hit the face and lug nut area with a boar's hair brush, and then if I need to clean the barrel, I will hit it with a wheel brush that I have wrapped in a microfiber rag, just because the wheel brush I have used to scratch stuff, so I do use that as a way to kind of protect wheels. So we're gonna do that real quick, and then we will do a quick recap. maintenance wash is done, so what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna dry it now. We're gonna use Bead Maker as a drying aid, just to kind of give the coating a little bit more juice. The coating that we put on this car is actually holding up really, really great. It's doing amazing. Really happy with how that's holding up. So we're going to just kind of extend the life a little bit with this. If you're in the Albany Corvallis area and you're looking to get a coating installed, holla at your boy. You can do it in a single day service, so it's really not anything difficult to do for you guys. That being said, we're gonna spray this down and we're gonna dry this car up real quick. And with that, this maintenance wash is done. We got only a little bit of time left before the owner needs to get back to work, so this is actually perfect timing for us to finish this up. I'll meet you guys back up at the house after I'm done cleaning everything up. So that was another satisfied customer. Real quick before the end of the video, I kind of wanted to talk a little bit more about Bead Maker. I know I covered this in my chemicals and tools video, but the reason why I used this as a drying aid on the vehicle that we washed today is because on one hand it is basically a spray sealant. I'm not sure if that's technically what it's classified as a chemical, but it's basically how it works. So it helps seal off the paint. It bonds to whatever the topmost surface is, and then basically adds a little bit of a hydrophobic property, as well as giving it a really nice slick feel. I really like using this as a topper on my ceramic coatings. It works really, really great for that. But as a drying aid, what's really interesting is because it is so hydrophobic, it basically makes the water try to run to the path of least resistance. And when you spray this down on a wet surface and then follow it up with a rag, what that does is basically the water tries to evacuate off of the paint surface really quickly, and it goes straight into the towel because that's the easiest way for it to get away from this product. So when I do that, we basically just spray it down, wipe it off. It does leave a little bit of the Bead Maker on the panel that you wipe down, so that's good. It adds a little bit extra protection. Just kind of helps supercharge that ceramic coating just a little bit. But all in all, I would say that if you aren't using something like this, not necessarily this product, but a top coat sealant or at least a drying aid when you are washing your vehicle, you're missing out. Personally, I would recommend getting Bead Maker. It's not that expensive, it's pretty cost effective, and it also serves a few different purposes. I know that one of the people who helped develop this has said that like if you have a rag that's kind of has this soaked into it and you wipe down interior panels, it actually helps prevent lint and dust from statically clinging to it, and that's why you get like dashes that are all like fuzzy and stuff after a few days after detailing. It's because of just the static cling that happens, and putting this on your interior can actually help prevent that, so that's cool. You can also, like I said, it's really good for a topper on top of whatever you have done with your car, whether it's polishing, ceramic coating, any of that. This is really great to sit on top of that. It's just an extra sacrificial layer to kind of just protect the paint, and it works amazingly as a drying aid. So I would say 10 out of 10 would recommend get your hands on this if you can. That being said, we really don't have that much more to cover for this video. It's kind of a slow day, but yeah, so with that, remember to like, comment, subscribe, send this video to friends and family, do all the things to try to help blow this channel up. We're really trying to grow. The faster we can get this channel to 1,000 subscribers, the faster that we can get some of my other business goals tackled. We can start working on getting a physical shop. We can start working on a bunch of other plans that I have coming. But yeah, so with that being said, remember, every hero is the villain of someone else's story. And with that, have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace. I really need to figure out how to stop saying and so yeah a lot. I'm aware that it's a problem.